Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this fabulous looking Land Rover Defender 90, available here in the popular and much sought after X-Dynamic SE trim and powered by a D250 engine with exterior painted in lovely Santorini black metallic. This model also boasts a number of factory fitted extras, so make sure to check out the description below, with the front offering premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side you'll find these option upgraded 20-inch gloss black style alloy wheels. In the rear, signature shaped LED taillights will also give your Defender a distinctive look in the evening. Although a 3.0, don't panic, as getting in the back is incredibly easy, unlocking seats for 3 with a center armrest and even 2 ISOFIX child anchor points, all illuminated by this sliding panoramic roof. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin, with the benefit of front seats offering 12-way heated electric memory functionality. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel operating the interactive driver display up ahead. In the center, 10-inch PV Pro connected surfaces will unlock built-in satellite navigation, with easy-to-connect Bluetooth telephony and even find your favorite radio stations thanks to DAB reception. Additionally, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is on offer, with the added benefit of heated front seats featuring a 3-state setting for both the driver and front passenger. Additionally, parking this vehicle will be incredibly easy, as it features a 360-degree parking aid giving you visibility all around this vehicle. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use two-zone climate will also be able to operate via the rotary dials here, featuring heated front windscreen, and you can even adjust the heated seats directly from the dials. Down below, USB inputs are available with a deep center armrest, whilst overhead an auto-dimming rearview mirror with easy controls for the electric sunshade blind.